Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed about the advanced destructuring and rest or the spread operators. Today we'll be discussing about the understanding tag templates. So tag templates pre-process template literals by passing their parts to the custom tag function. Basically they are useful for creating DSLs, nothing but the domain specific languages or custom formatting, right? Again I'm telling tag templates pre-process template literals by passing their parts to the custom tag function. How they are useful? They are useful for creating DSLs, nothing but the domain specific language or custom formatting, right? Let's try to implement the same thing with the example. So first we will see the custom tag function. Next, let's see the custom tag function. That's enough, right? So what I'll do, I'll quickly come here. I'll just give you a function. Let me name the function tag. So I'll just give here strings and also values here. Within the value, within the function, let's return a string of this has to be strings, right? Why did I take string? Yeah, strings of 0. The first index. Also let's map the values. So let me consider something. I'll just take v over here, v dot. Let's convert this one to the uppercase by making use of two uppercase built-in function. So let's quickly make use of the join as well, right? Quickly I'll come here. Let me make use of the variable name result and let me give tag within the backticks. I'll just give here hello. Within this one I'll just pass world. So let me close by making use of the backtick, right? Let's log the same thing very quickly. Let's log result. So we have to get the output hello world, right? So let's see by running the code. We are getting the output hello world, right? So I'll quickly explain what I have done here. So basically the tag function processes literal strings and embedded values separately. Processes, as I have said, the tag function here processes literal strings and embedded value. Literal strings and embedded value, this one, embedded values separately. Each embedded value is converted to uppercase before combining. You can clearly see here, this one is not an embedded value, right? Hello, it is in the basically it is every letter is not converted to the uppercase over here. So the only the embedded values embedded value is converted to uppercase before combining. The word is converted to this one, right? Completely uppercase. All the letters here are completely converted to the uppercase before combining. So if I run, we are getting the hello world output. So I hope the concept of this one, understanding the tag templates is completely clear. So we saw with the example custom tag function, right? So next we'll be discussing on managing JavaScript timers efficiently. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.